Welcome back to the World Bros. I'm all by myself and Nick's not even here. But I am joined by my culturally stable and not racially insensitive friend Pablo.
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
Yeah, no, that bit can't last.
Damn. We would get some eyes. And by eyes, I mean...
We get eyes, dude. We need more views.
And not the good kind of eyes.
All for the wrong reasons. Man, this guy doesn't like getting shot in the face very much.
I don't think you would like getting shot with the either.
Well, if I was a giant monster, man, it'd probably... Oh, well, Sherry's dead.
Sherry just got oofed. It's okay, she's not.
It seems like none of the fucking characters that are actually supposed to be related to previous characters matter in this game, except for fucking Chris.
Well, Leon mattered. I guess technically Sherry matters, because when you play Jake's campaign, Sherry is your ally. But...
This guy's taking a little too long to kill.
Oh, you have to expose his weak spot, we're probably not going to kill him.
He's not exposing it, man!
I told you have to go up when he fucking falls over and leaves his arm on a building. You have to climb up his arm to do it. That's why it took me so long to fucking kill this guy when I first played him. Right in his face.
Ah! Wait, no, what? If I... Ah!
Oh yeah, be ready for button bumps.
Uh-oh. Oh! Wiggle stick!
No, it's not. It's just shake back and forth.
What?
It's shake back and forth. It's not a wiggle.
Well, that's not what it showed at all. Sir, I'd like you to get off of me. I don't like you touching me in my spots. I just climbed his face. Don't worry, guys, I got this. Alright, time to destroy my fucking palm, like in PS2.
I'm going to be honest that this one is like the worst.
You telling me I still didn't get it?
It is literally the worst quick time event in this game.
Oh my
it's the
God.
hardest to do.
Fucking hell, this is stupid.
Oh, you just...
Oh, fuck! God damn it, man! Get out of my head, man! Am I just ass at this game?
I'm going to be honest
I don't
with you.
think I'm that bad.
This guy's quick time event sucks. It may actually, you just need to go like really fast. It may actually be a spin. It's just very bad.
There's no way, dude! I'm literally cramping my arm going that fast. Oh, great. I don't have ammo right now. Thanks. Exactly what I needed in life. Can I get up here?
Oh, I think you killed him.
Did I really?
Now it's time to kill the last AA gun and be done with this part.
Fun and intuitive gameplay. Evaporate faster! You're wasting my time! Alright, bros, let's get the fuck out of
You need to
here.
go back down to the...
Shut up, Nick. I know what I'm doing. I'm Chris Redfield. I need to go back to thing.
I'm the Chris motherfucking Redfield. Nick.
You stop underestimating the power of Chris goddamn Redfield. Both arrows are pointing that way. But when I go this way to go that
You
way.
go into that room there. was on your right. Now it'd be on behind you. On your right.
Well, what the fuck even? This game doesn't do a very good job of making things clear, does it?
No, you need to go back through that tunnel.
I'm in the tunnel.
Yeah, you're going the wrong way.
What the fuck? This tunnel thing?
No, keep going. To the right.
Fucking... This is one of those where the fuck do I go kind of games. Even though they technically try to tell you where to go.
I mean, you have
but
to follow.
horribly.
You have to follow Finn, and you didn't follow Finn.
I don't know where the fuck Finn is, dude. They all look the same.
Always-
You act like Finn has been my best friend since fucking
Finn
middle
will
school.
always be the dude with the circle and triangle. That's Finn.
Fuck Finn.
Can't fuck Finn. He's an essential NPC.
Get fucked.
I'm setting charges on the anti-aircraft guns now, but it's gonna take a while.
Is it really, Finn? Is it gonna take a
One
while?
more time.
I need a little bit more time! Nick! Do you have any idea what Finn needs right now? He needs a little bit more time! Don't worry, Finn. I'll protect your sensitive butt cheeks.
I'm gonna shoot this guy.
Ah!
Notice how Chris is just such a shag. If you can get shot by a sniper rifle, it's not wrong for
That's because it's Chris. It's Chris motherfucking goddamn bitch ass Redfield. There's not enough genders or identities on the planet to describe what Redfield is. 'Cause he's not of this world. He's from Redfield. I'm Chris Redfield from Redfield.
Charges are set. Everyone get
No, Chris. That doesn't mean run directly towards them because the camera auto
Explosions
sets.
don't affect me. I'm a Redfield.
Why would the camera automatically set Chris to run towards the explosions?
Good work out there, Alpha. Backup team will be
Stop shooting me, soldier. Well, I'm just kind of chilling now. Wait, has anyone seen Carl? Where's Carl?
I'm sorry, sir. I think you perished in the battle.
No! Carl doesn't die.
Yeah, there's his body right there.
He just evolves.
Jarheads all look the same to me, pal. Sorry.
You gotta be kidding me.
My mistake. Have a safe flight.
He doesn't. The thing is, he's like, "Hey, do you look familiar to me?" Except Jake doesn't look like this.
Captain, we're crazy for letting him walk away. How many men have we lost to mercenaries like him?
He's not our problem. Can't lose sight of the BSAA's mission.
In other words, I don't think I fucking asked.
God damn it, sir!
It's a fight bioterrorism, sir. We know what we're here for, rookie.
Fuck you too, then.
Alright, one of you grunts in the back, you've been upgraded to Carl.
Does that even mean?
Guys, I'm back, I've been reborn again.
Sir, this is the scariest fucking thing I've ever seen in my life. What the hell just happened?
Look, dude, if the enemy's using genetic mutation, then we can too.
What?
We call it the C virus. Anyone who is injected with the C virus will miraculously be transformed into Carl Wheezer from Jimmy Neutron, and he will have overalls and talk about croissants. That's just how this works, Private.
That doesn't
In
make
fact,
sense.
I don't even know how you were not informed of this. This is a very important topic. We gotta make this cinematic by making him walk the slowest he possibly fucking can.
I'm picking up life form readings. It's like they're in cocoons.
Well, then just shoot them.
Who's there?
Did you just just ask a corpse who's there?
Yeah.
It's just me, Jimmy.
Over here. I'm getting a reading on the other side of this door.
Pierce, Finn, you're with me. Everyone else keep searching out here.
HQ.
So basically, everyone that matters, you're with me. Everyone else, you guys are fucked without him.
I'm on it.
What about me? I'm not very good at music.
We didn't even... I called Pierce over here just for Finn to kick the door down.
Gotta have your partner with you.
That's...
Gotta have your
guys.
partner with you.
Wait, I need to go back now?
No, keep going. That's in a different area. Just keep walking through.
You see what I mean, though? That doesn't make any sense. It's pointing in that direction. Ada! Ada! It was you who infected all the Asians, isn't it? I should have known by the fact they were Asian. You're the only Asian woman in this whole franchise.
That's really racist.
I didn't ask. I like your scarf. Oh, she's gone. Guys, split up. We need to find that Asian chick. I want to get her number. Sir, we're supposed to be on it. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. Don't let it get born, dumbasses.
Oh yeah, that thing's got a lot of armor.
Okay. Fuck me. Shoot it, guys. Fuck.
No, I want to sit here and just watch it come near.
Alright, he's dead. Oh, right. Did he give me any special goop?
Gave you some goop.
Oh no, is this one of my soldiers? I wish there was a dodge button.
Is double A not a dodge?
No, that's quick turnaround.
Oh, he's dead.
Stop! He's a koala! Ah! Ow! Take some breath mints. Take some more Tic Tacs.
We gotta go pick up
I'm all out of healing
We
items.
gotta go pick up the booby boots. Check our inventory and see if we got any.
UW's neutralized.
Search the rest of the place. But stay on your guard.
I'm smart. And by smart, I mean Nick told me to push the elbow, so that's big. Alright guys, we need to be careful. If the enemy gets a hold of the C virus, we're fucked. Sir, what exactly is the C virus capable of? Don't look, hey. Don't you dare fucking ask me a question like that again.
I don't understand the problem, sir.
I don't want to talk about it. Excuse me, sir. Alright. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, sorry about that. Alright, we're doing the melee only run. Let's go.
You are going to die. A lot.
Tic Tacs.
I'm on it.
Pierce! It wasn't even Pierce. It was him again.
Ow! Huh.
Oh my god, someone's been doing drugs.
Drugs.
We might be fighting bioweapons, but drugs are not cool. I know drugs will not help my special operations
She's got the
team.
C virus!
Oh god!
Nice to see the cavalry's here.
Zeta.
Is this the game where she's goop?
I work here. My name's Ada Wong.
So, because we're not going to go over this, because we're not doing the Ada campaign, there are 2 Adas.
Yeah, she's Goop.
Yeah.
She is.
Something about that.
Yeah, she's basically.
She's Goop.
Like a clone.
And she's like, I'm the real Ada! And she's like, no, you're not, bitch. And she's like, and dies.
Killing Ada was very hard in Ada's campaign.
Neo Umbrella.
Neo Umbrella. Oh my
The organization's
god.
supporting the guerrillas.
It's like
Or at least I think that's what
the
they're calling
Matrix
themselves.
version of Umbrella.
So the C virus came from them.
The C virus!
Chris, you're a
That's all I
fucking
know.
idiot.
Thank
Are you stupid?
Appreciate
Hey,
your
I might be an
cooperation.
idiot,
Finn,
but I'm not stupid.
you're in charge.
All right.
Safe.
Keep her safe.
Yes, sir.
Move it, lady!
Keep an eye on her. Will do.
And I don't mean rape her.
Damn it.
We may be killing millions, but rape is not on the menu.
We found one of the staff. We're turning to the foyer now.
It's called a foyer.
Okay, so in this universe, Chris knew Leon in this game. How did Leon never know about? I think you're going.
No, I'm definitely going the right way. That's where the crates are at.
But
Trust me,
somehow,
I know this game like the back of my hand.
So Chris knows Leon, but somehow Chris doesn't know who Ada Wong is. That that doesn't make sense to me.
Okay, well, it would have made sense, but then I realized this game is done. I was about to say, why would Leon ever bring Ada up? But then I remembered, Ada!
That and the fact that Chris and Leon know each other doesn't even make sense.
Chris and
Because
Leon didn't meet ever.
they met in this game.
What the fuck am I doing right now? Sir, you need to stop being lost. I'm not lost, Private.
But there's also no way with how much Ada has interrupted biological terrorist events, how they don't have a profile on Ada Wong either.
I mean,
Like-
she's a special agent. She probably just keeps getting her shit wiped.
I don't believe that. What is up?
It's no use! Okay, I'm just gonna leave these buff boys to you guys.
Bonk, 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 bonk.
They're gonna make me fight anyway.
No, they're not. You just gotta give it a second.
Finn, come over here and help me open this door. Damn it! I don't like you, Pierce. How much do I have to say that?
Your friends are having a hard time.
Shut up, Ada.
Man, please, just try to stay out of the way.
You can tell these guys are the right ones because they're more shiny than... Oh! That one was different. Oh, God. They're still alive.
That's so weird, lizard boy.
I got a clown.
He's a wizard. And then people wonder why everyone calls this game an action game. These guys are barely any, like, threat. Compared to a regular game, it would take so many bullets to kill them.
Why don't I just do a fucking death roll?
We can get outside through there.
It's supposed to roll you out of danger. I got you, bro.
He's got bombs! Ah.
Bye.
Oh. Alright, I mean, these guys aren't very tactical, are they? I know it's gonna come out of there.
You know, if you keep shooting it, eventually it'll just break, and then nothing will spawn out.
I hear something going nuts. I don't know where it is. Oh. Alright, buddy, I'll see you later. I'm gonna go upstairs.
Oh, you're missing this goofy thing.
Oh my god. gosh.
Just leave it. Just leave it.
It's too late. I'm already back down here.
I'm pretty sure you just hurt your friend.
Does it look like I give a
You
shit?
actually just fucked
Dude,
up
I have no
Pears.
emotional attachment to anyone in this game.
But it's Pears.
I
Your
don't
best
care.
friend.
I don't give a shit
Of
about
course you
you.
don't give a shit.
Yeah, fucking- yeah.
Look at your boy right there.
There's a bunch of them boys down there. All right, y'all can deal with them. I don't want to deal with that while I'm here. Alright, he just keeps going the same path. I'll just wait for him. Man, I really do love taking a stroll through my favorite alleyway. Ah! How did I miss that?
You have grenades.
No. Sometimes this game. Is this a
Never-
grenade?
You never. That tells you where you need to go.
Is this a grenade? Is
Oh,
this
you
a
have to-
grenade?
You have to equip a grenade by switching your using the D-pad. You got a flash out. Now you got a hand grenade.
What?
Flash, hand grenade.
You would think it actually let you select, but it does not. You assholes. Why did you take longer that time? Fuck it, I'm just going down
Yeah, I
there.
think you're taking a little more time than really needed. You jump down here and all your friends will end up lighting them up anyways.
I just want to be cool.
Hold it together.
Turns out I'm not allowed to be cool. Boom! Boom! Ma! Ada! 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 God damn, that was like 80-year-old Leon right there. I sneezed. You'll ever play that console?
It's the door.
The SNES.
Roger.
My name's not Roger, it's Chris Redfield.
Roger.
God dang it. This
Roger
is a
Craig
very,
Smith.
very long mission.
You say that, but you just finished the mission.
Fuck you. How would I know? How would I know,
You
Nate?
wouldn't.
Exactly.
Gone.
So shut the fuck up.
Yeah, fuck.
Fame, you had one goddamn
idiot.
job.
A second ago.
Finn is a traitor, that's the real answer.
No, Finn's a fucking idiot is what he is. Alright, so the question here is, why the fuck does a town hall have this kind of contraption in it?
Resident Evil.
Hey,
Why did the police station have shit like
Thanks for the
this?
escort. Here's something to remember me by.
Oh my gosh, he's got a thermodecular... Yeah, from Star Wars.
Somehow they all get hit in the neck, even though that doesn't even make sense.
She was just that precise. Chris.
They somehow spontaneously combust.
So Chris, they were all side characters. None of them mattered. Why would you reach out for him? You know it's not gonna happen. Chris is too emotional. In this real situation, Chris would be sent home because he's too close.
Yeah.
You're too close to his Chris. We've fought these things before. We already know what they are.
Yeah, but Chris is kind of emotionally broken right now, so he can't really fight them. Chris, you're
And
compromising the
Pierce didn't do
mission.
shit either.
That's just because he's stupid. Chris not getting
How is
fucked
Chris
up?
not dead?
Because he's Chris motherfucking Redfield.
Chris!
Break him!
Somehow these fast-moving things.
Somehow
don't
this
catch
man's
up.
wrist isn't fucking exploded
That's true too.
by fucking one-handing this machine gun.
You gotta be.
Whoa. That means I am good at the game. Fuck you, man. I'm trying my best. I'm doing the best I can, Nick. This game
Yeah,
is very
but
hard to control.
Finn is dead, Taylor. Finn is fucking dead.
It doesn't matter. We
Well-
still have Carl. Carl?
No, they have the C virus.
Carl?
Taylor.
Carl!
Jimmy's.
I could hear him from the afterlife. Still calling for Jimmy's mom.
So yeah, that was an entire flashback scene. So welcome back to the actual timeline. Oh, you weren't in Japan. You're in China.
All the Chinese fans beating the shit out of me.
Sir,
I never said it was Japan. You did.
what happened to Ada Wong?
I said it looks like Japan.
You remember. Captain.
Of course he
Where is
remembers.
she?
Where is she? Where's Rachel?
Is she in the city or not? She's been sighted several times since the attacks began. Yeah, she's here.
God damn it.
And so yeah, Chris kind of goes, I need to go fuck this lady up.
Tell the men we're moving out.
So Chris kind of goes on.
Tell
this
the men
war-
we're gonna go get him killed.
Chris is kind of now on his on this war path to kill Ada Wong, which is a little strange. That
Good
they'll-
for him. He's never gonna be able to do it.
Well, yeah, because Ada kills Ada.
Wait,
Jim, you
was that
know
not the end of the mission?
That was the end of the mission. We started a new one.
Oh,
We'll get back to this next
never.
time. Oh.
We're quitting the War Bros because I'm too sad that Carl's gone.
You gotta kiss Pierce before we leave, though.
No, fuck
Yes.
Peterson.
No, Pierce is cool.
Pearson sucks.
Pierce is cool.
No,
Oh,
I'm not kissing him.
okay. I kissed him.
Nick is gay confirmed.